What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Ford F150. So we're back in Miami. This is Gator, my 77 F150, and we're here at Trail Hunters Miami to pick it up. So I've been gone for the last month, and while I'm gone, Danny has done all kinds of work to this thing. So what up?
A lot of stuff got done.
All kinds.
Huh? Looks a lot different.
It looks a little bit different. I really love the way that the Sweet Patina sauce looks. You could see all the metallic and all the paint really just kind of comes alive.
Yeah, it made a huge difference. And it runs a lot better. Now you can actually drive it down the street. Before you couldn't. Which actually if you go on our page, we did a video. I broke down 3 times in one video. That was not fun. It was really hot.
I know exactly what that's like.
You know what it was. While you were doing it across the country, I was doing it here.
He's texting me. He's like, hey, what do I got to do? This is what's happening. I'm like, I'm literally having the same problem. We just tried this.
Well, I think I figured it out on this one. It was a bunch of heat shielding, and the same exact issue Solomon was having was this vapor locking from fuel. But we heat shielded all the lines, heat shielded the actual fuel pump, put a filter over here instead of above the engine. So everything has been good, knock on wood. And it's got a full tank of gas, and it's ready to get sold. Aside
from that, you went over basically everything.
The whole truck got serviced, rear axle, front axle, transfer case got rebuilt, transmission got serviced, engine got serviced, ignition coil, cables, spark plugs, intake, all the filters, everything got done in this truck. We went through the lights, every single inch of the truck got gone through since we weren't in a rush.
Yeah. And the whole reasoning behind doing all that work to this truck is I wanted to make it that anybody could hop in it, drive this anywhere, enjoy it, and don't have to worry about it. Kind of like what I just did. So I told Danny, treat it like your own, take it home, and he did. So if you guys go over to his YouTube channel, you'll see he made several videos with it. But right now I'm going to start driving this around. So let's get to it. See you later. Gonna go cruising Gator. Need to start recording again, so just pulling back up to my neighborhood, and figure before I make a whole video with this truck, I should probably finish it up. And I've got a set of glass, like stained glass lights, like I put on all my trucks that I had made for this. So probably gonna put those on here today, but for right now I'm just driving. It's actually been a couple of days, and now I actually have a little bit of time, so I have the stained glass light. So in the back we did kind of like an Everglades theme, if you could see that, with an alligator on it. And then we got the front 2 gators, and then the side gets a gator, and where it says it, I only have the 2 rears, which means we're gonna need to rob from the Midas Touch the inner housings, because I need to make more of those. Lindsey doesn't provide that. So for now, Viva and Yoey and Ari are gonna help. So look, I have screwdrivers here. One for you and one for you. Come here. Look, this screw, who's gonna take this screw off? Okay. And you get that one. You want a screwdriver? You'll do the next one, okay? Okay.
How do you...
So now we're going to get some of these washers, 2 of those, and that, and we're gonna get this.
We put them right there.
I promise when I can, you will.
These go this side. Look how rusty that is. Oh my.
Alright guys, so we just finished putting on these new lights. Getting a quick drink. Thirsty? Yoey, so tell me, what did you do?
I screwed on the lights. Look. I took off the lights and made it cool.
What does that look like?
An alligator.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
So Yoey, what did you do? You came over here
and unscrewed it.
Yeah, was it hard?
Yeah.
It was hard to unscrew it?
It was kind of hard to screw it for me. But I unscrewed some. Yeah. And it was black.
And then what did you do in the back?
Unscrewed also.
So what's that one look like?
A king.
A king? No, that's not a king. It looks like an alligator, right?
It doesn't look like an alligator.
Well, this side, look Viva. This is the alligator's head, you see? And then this is like an Everglades thing. And then on this side, it's the tail. You see, this is the tail from the alligator, right there.
There is no tail in an alligator.
Of course there is, my love.
Well, there's no tail in the frog.
So you guys were the best helpers. Yoey, up top. Viva, down low. Good jobs. All right, now you guys hungry? You want to go get some dinner?
Yep. Yeah.
Perfect.
The next morning.
So now we are cruising in Brownie. Oh, it's your first time in here.
My first time.
And what, you know,
Surprised.
first thoughts?
AC's pretty good. Like, it's nice. It's not bad.
It's got the
cold air.
That vintage air. And now it's actually turned up. It wasn't even turned up. So yeah, it's like 100 degrees here in Miami, like always. Right now we're actually heading to Trail Hunters. I have the keys with Gator. I left it in Brownie. So I was supposed to bring Gator and Brownie to Trail Hunters. So right now we're going to go there. We're gonna remove the roll bar because I sold Gator and the guy asked me if I wanted to sell the roll bar from this. So I said sure. So I sold him the roll bar and we're gonna go remove it. Then we're gonna go grab Gator, come back. We're gonna switch the tires. We got some Baja Legend MTZs just to make it a little bit more streetable. Put the roll bar on it and then pick you guys back up. So I don't know why I forgot to show when they just took that light bar off, but I don't know. I forgot to pick my camera up. So we just removed the light bar on Brownie, and it really looks way different without it on there. We're gonna be putting one on, another one. We're gonna build it I like a little bit better. So right now we need to go get Gator. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day now, and yesterday got hectic. Couldn't get back to Danny's, but I'm in Gator to go there. I got my #1 helper, Yoey. Yoey, say what's up.
What's up?
Are you so excited that we're having a fun day, just me and you?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we gonna go do? We're gonna go change tires,
Yeah.
then we're gonna drive the truck around?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna have fun with me?
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright guys, so now we got on the new tires. So we went with the Baja Legend MTZs. These are 35, 1250, 17, and these are the 17 by 9 Canyon Pros. And the main reason I did that is I actually sold the truck. So one of my buddies, Josh, hit me up when I made a Facebook post about the truck. And he's like, dude, I really think that needs to join my collection. So we figured it out, and he's actually gonna be here in 2 days. So I got 2 more days with the truck. I'm just trying to make it right for him to go and do. I think he's gonna drive like 800 miles home. But right now we're gonna go back to Danny's and we're gonna put the roll bar on it. Yo, you're the camera guy? Yo, we made it. We're here by Danny's shop now. Was it a good drive? You thirsty? Alright guys, so the truck now is a very different looking truck. So we got the roll bar on. We just put 2 6-inches and different set of Mickeys, which really changed the whole look and changed the drivability. Dude, this thing drove like a Cadillac driving over here right now.
Bro. It drives good, looks good. It's got all the boxes checked.
Oh yeah, and the roll bar really set it off. I can't wait to see it from the, like, when you're standing 20 feet away. Oh yeah.
Well, the roll bar just looks so good because we built it specific to the cab that it looks good on any of these old trucks.
Now I'm excited for the next one that we're going to be building for Brownie. Make it perfect. So
Fine details in it.
we got all of that going on. So now let's go get Gator wet. Alright guys, so it got dark quick, and as you can see we got Gator back home. The MTZs are looking awesome on here, and so is the roll bar. I am really happy with how this truck has turned out. Obviously I love stained glass lights on this thing. So right now the video is over, but that is not the end. On Sunday we're going to be heading to Cars and Coffee Miami, so that's going to be fun. Probably going to go to the Everglades, film a few things before Gator goes to his new home, because it did get sold. My buddy Josh ended up buying it. So with that, if you guys want to check the rest of the stuff out, subscribe, like if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.